YouTube. Working on that Cadillac ceiling. Working on that. Kind of a little difficult. I mean, I ain't gonna say difficult, but a little different than I thought. I mean, not different, but just gotta do a couple things different. So it's the on and off. Green, yellow, strobe, fade, smooth. Hit the colors. Go off music. I don't know if I got no music. Let's see if I can play something real quick. Let's see.
My will.
Slow down it. Man, go with it or whatever. But with this hairliner, man, it's black suede. Black suede, right? Then it's so thick. It's kind of hard to see when you lighten them up. So I did them, had to redo them. So I'm working on this, man. It's pissing me off, really. But I'm gonna get it. Gotta put some over there. And YouTube, I have a Cadillac truck. Got it in there. Yeah. Oh, look at that.